Happy Friday, everybody. Here is another video. This is going to work a little differently today, and I'm going to explain that right now. Here we go. So our I can statement for today is I can annotate and answer review questions about magnets and circuits. So this is summing up what we've been talking about over the past couple weeks before we move on to new content. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to read you the questions and the question options and give you an opportunity to answer and annotate this on your own on a piece of paper. I'm not going to tell you the answers in this video, but instead I'm going to be posting an answer key. So it will say Friday's lessons answer key, and I'm going to post it to Canvas on the module so you can listen to this video in order to hear the questions, because I know most of us like it when we can hear me read the questions out loud for you, and then that way when you're done answering the question, you can go to the answer key and check your answers. Okay? All right, so here's your first question. Remember, you can always pause this video or rewind it if you want to listen to me read it again. I'm going to read it twice per question, just like I would during a test or a quiz. And then, like I said, when you're done answering all the questions, then go back to the module and click on the answer key, and you'll get the answers and explanations to those answers there. Remember, I have live sessions Wednesday nights and Friday nights to answer any questions you might have. So have your pencil and paper ready. Here we go. Number 1, which object would a magnet attract? A, water, B, iron filings, C, wax candle, D, plastic bottle. Number 1, which object would a magnet attract? A, water, B, iron filings, C, wax candle, D, plastic bottle. Take your time to answer that now. Rewind, pause if you need to. Okay. Number 2, a student places 2 bar magnets next to each other on a table. Which of the following will the student most likely observe about these magnets? A, like poles repel. B, opposite poles repel. C, opposite poles retract. D, like poles attract. Number 2, a student places 2 bar magnets next to each other on a table. Which of the following will the student most likely observe about the magnets? A, like poles repel. B, opposite poles repel. C, opposite poles retract. D, like poles attract. Pause this video and answer this question now, please. Please make sure you annotate. Number 3, one car is placed behind another. In which arrangement would the front car be pushed forward by the magnetic force? A, B, C, or D? And for this one, we want to make sure we're looking at the pictures, looking at the south and north labelings on each magnet on both car 1 and 2 in the pictures. All right, number 3, one car is placed behind another. In which arrangement would the front car be pushed forward by magnetic force? A, B, C, or D? Pause to annotate and answer this question now. Number 4, not all metals are magnetic. Which one of these metals can a magnet attract? A, aluminum can. B, copper penny. C, iron nail. D, silver necklace. Number 4, not all metals are magnetic. Which of these metals can a magnet attract? A, aluminum can. B, copper penny. B, copper penny. C, iron nail. D, silver necklace. Pause to annotate and answer this question now. Last one. An object with an electric charge will pull on another object. That object has which of the following properties? A, it has no electric charge. B, it has an opposite electric charge. C, it is larger than the charged object. D, it has the same electrical charge. An object with an electrical charge will pull on another object towards it. Towards that object has which of the following properties? It has no electric charge. B, it has an opposite electric charge. C, it is larger than the charged object. D, it has the same electrical charge. So in order for it to pull on something, what will make it pull on one another? Which makes the most sense when we're talking about electrical charges. Pause to annotate and answer this question now. Great, that's all I have for you. Please make sure you answered all of these questions and annotated. I would love to see a picture of them by you sending them on Canvas or on Class Dojo. And what I would like you to do now is go back to the module, find the answer key, check your answers, and if you don't understand, please join one of the live lessons coming up next week in order for me to answer any questions, or the one I have Friday night at 7 p.m. Thanks.